Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the another SQL video. So one of the interview questions asked for SQL developer position experience from 0 to 2 years. Okay. So we have given two tables. Table 1 has 4 records with values as 1. Table 2 has 6 records with value 1. Okay. So we need to write the syntax, okay, of inner join, left join and right join. Now how many rows will the inner join will return? Okay, we need to, without executing, we need to write the syntax and we need to write the output like the number of rows. So pause the video, think and let me know in the comment section what could be the answer, okay, for inner join, left join, right join. Okay, so ultimately this is the inner join syntax, right? Now, so basically we join two tables, okay, and ultimately this condition, so wherever the two tables records get matched, that particular record will be returned in the result set, right? What this condition suggests is if this condition is satisfied, then only we get the record, right? In our case, let's understand here. Actually, in table 1 we have 4 1 records, right? 4 rows with one value, right? So first record will match the first row of table 2, but in the second row is also gets true, third is also gets true, 4 5 6 similarly. And then for the second record from table 1, again it is satisfying in the all 6 rows, right, as per this condition. So 4 into 6 total 24 rows. So I am getting here 24 rows. I hope you guys are getting. Let me know in the comment section. Similarly, for the left join also, we are getting 24 rows. Though left join suggests matching rows from the all the records from the left table, that is from table 1, and matching rows from the right table. But in our case, because the data is present like this, similarly one to many combination, again 24 records. Same for the right table also. Okay. So our answer is 24 rows. What will be the output? Number of records that we are getting is, okay, 24 rows, 24 rows. Okay. So another example, I want you guys to try it by yourself. Okay, and let me know in the comment section. This is one another example. We have again two tables. Table 3 as this much like this record 112. Table 4 has 113. Again, inner join will return, you need to write the count, left join and right join. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. Okay, this was asked recently for SQL developer position. Experience was 0 to 2 years of experience. Okay, so let me know in the comment section and we will discuss this in the next video. Okay, till then, thanks for watching.